Hello, everyone. This is teacher Eunice. Welcome to my learning video. Everything in Earth's system can be placed into one of 5 major subsystems. These 4 subsystems are called spheres. Specifically, they are geosphere. The geosphere is the part of the Earth that includes the interior and surface of Earth, both of which are made up of rocks. Next is the biosphere. The biosphere is the worldwide sum of all ecosystems. Next part of the Earth is the cryosphere. The cryosphere contains huge quantities of ice at the poles, and elsewhere. The next sphere is the hydrosphere. The hydrosphere is the areas of Earth that are covered with enormous amounts of water. And lastly, the atmosphere. Atmosphere is an envelope of gas that keeps the planet warm and provides oxygen for breathing and carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. All 5 of these enormous and complex systems interact with one another to maintain the Earth. In this lesson, the place of the biosphere in the biological and ecological hierarchy will be discussed. We start with the lowest level, which is the atom. An atom is the smallest unit of ordinary matter that forms a chemical element. Everything you see around you, living and non-living things, are composed of atoms. The second level is the molecule. The molecule is a group of atoms bonded together, representing the smallest fundamental unit of a chemical compound that can take part in a chemical reaction. Given the foundations of both living and non-living things, the third level is the start of the biological hierarchy. The basic structural, functional, and biological unit of all organisms is the cell. Next is the group of similar cells and their extracellular matrix from the same origin that together carry out a specific function. This is known as tissue. A group of tissues with similar functions is known as organ. The next level is the group of organs that work together as a biological system to perform one or more functions is known as organ system. This level is the start of the ecological hierarchy. Next, an individual form of life, such as a plant, animal, bacterium, protist, or fungus. It is a synonym for life form, is known as organism. Next, is the population. Population refers to all the organisms of the same group or species who live in a particular geographical area and are capable of interbreeding. The next level is the community. Community is a group of populations of 2 or more different species occupying the same geographical area at the same time. It is also known as biosynosis. Next, is the ecosystem. Ecosystem is a biological community of interacting organisms and their physical environment. The physical environment refers to the water, sun, air, soil, and other non-living factors of the environment that help to sustain life. And lastly, on top of the hierarchy is the biosphere. As what was mentioned earlier in the lesson, the biosphere is the worldwide sum of all ecosystems. It means that the biosphere extends from the deepest root systems of trees, to the ocean trenches, to rainforests, high mountaintops, and where ocean and terrestrial ecosystems meet. To sum up the lesson, here is an illustration of the biological and ecological hierarchy. Thank you for watching. Watch out for my next video.